What's up, y'all? So remember I told y'all in one of my videos I'm gonna do a small giveaway every week. So this is that video. Somewhere in this video I added a picture. It's blended, but it's not blended to the point where you can't see it. It's gonna pop up and then pop out real quick. So the first person to spot the picture and comment the timestamp will get a $10 Amazon gift card. So once you comment the timestamp, first person, I'm going to pin your comment in the comment section, and then I'm going to send you a $10 gift card. Let's get it.
3-5 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be making Ackee and tuna stuffed plantain balls, okay? But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so my Ackee and tuna has already been prepared. You'll see this in a separate video. And now I'm going to cook the plantains, and it's ripe plantains. Right, so you're gonna wash your plantains and cut them like this. Alright, so now I'm going to mash all the plantains. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, grab some of the plantains. You want gloves? Okay, hold on. So TJ is here with me. He decided to join the party. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is make it into a cup, just like this. And then, don't drop it, TJ. And then add your Ackee like that, and then we're just going to pinch to close. Okay, and we're just going to do the rest just like this. And if you're wondering what these black things are, it's just the seeds that are in the plantains. If you want the ball to be a little bit neater than this, you can actually try blending the plantain afterwards. After cooking it, that is, you can try blending it to get it a little bit smoother. Step is to heat your oil. Right now it's lower than medium heat because I don't want them to fry too fast. There you have it. This one that's really neat, there's nothing inside. That one's for my son because he wants to try it. All right, so taste testing time. That's good. If you never had it, definitely give it a try.
Alright, Wife's kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.